In the shadows of forests and grasslands, a creature feared and revered slithers silently. With scales that shimmer like polished jewels and eyes that gleam with ancient wisdom. This magnificent predator strikes with lightning speed, injecting its victims with a deadly dose of venom. We're talking about the cobra. In today's episode, we'll take you through the life cycle of this fascinating reptile, including cobra facts and dispel some common myths along the way. So get ready for a wild ride as we uncover the secrets of the world's most iconic snake. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our awesome content. Welcome back, everyone. If you love reptiles, amphibians, dinosaurs, and all things paleo, then this is the channel for you. Now let's get into it. 1. Facts and identification. First things first. Cobras belong to the Elapidae family, which includes other venomous snakes like mambas and coral snakes. They are found in various regions around the world, including Africa, Asia, and Australia. Cobras are famous for their signature hood, which they create by extending their ribs behind their heads. This allows them to flatten their heads, giving them a distinct appearance when they feel threatened or are ready to strike. There are several different types of cobras, each with its unique characteristics. Some of the most well-known include the Indian cobra, the king cobra, spitting cobras, and the Thai forest cobra. Indian cobras are responsible for the majority of snake bites in India. They have a wide distribution and can be found in both rural and urban areas. Their venom is primarily constituted by neurotoxins, which means it attacks the nervous system of its prey. This can lead to paralysis and death if left untreated. On the other hand, king cobras are the longest venomous snakes in the world. They can grow up to over 18 feet in length and are known for their ability to eat other snakes, including venomous ones. Spitting cobras, as their name suggests, can spit venom from their fangs. They do this to both defend themselves and ambush their prey. 2. Behavior and hunting cobras are generally nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. They use their sense of smell and vibrations to hunt down their prey. You might be wondering what sense of smell. Well, snakes don't have nostrils like us, but they have a special organ called Jacobson's organ. It works by detecting chemicals in the air and sends signals to the brain, helping the snake identify potential food sources. So what do cobras eat? It's like most snakes. Cobras are carnivorous, which means they only eat meat. Their diet mainly consists of rodents, lizards, and birds. They will also eat other snakes and even poisonous toads. King cobra, as the largest member of the cobra family, preys mainly on other snakes. They are also known for their unique ability to kill and consume other venomous snakes, including mambas and coral snakes. Their venom is potent enough to paralyze these venomous creatures, rendering them harmless. Cobras are ambush hunters, meaning they wait for their prey to get close before striking. They can strike with lightning speed, injecting their venom into their victim. The venom is a complex mixture of toxins that can cause paralysis and death. The amount of venom injected depends on the species of cobra and the severity of the bite. However, in most cases, cobra bites are not fatal to humans if treated promptly. 3. Venom and survival cobra. Venom is a powerful neurotoxin that can attack the nervous system of its prey. This can lead to paralysis and death within minutes. Despite their deadly venom, cobras generally avoid humans unless they are threatened. When confronted, they may raise up to 1/3 of their body and flare their hood to intimidate the threat. This behavior serves as a warning to predators and helps protect the cobra from harm. Some species of cobra are able to spit their venom as a defensive mechanism or during an attack. This allows them to keep a safe distance from their target while still delivering a dose of venom. The venom is primarily composed of neurotoxic compounds that can cause respiratory paralysis. This means that the victim's ability to breathe can be quickly shut down, leading to asphyxiation. Despite their fearsome reputation, cobras play an important role in the ecosystem. They help control rodent populations and serve as a food source for other predators. Conservation efforts are in place to protect cobras from extinction due to habitat loss and poaching. 4. Cobra in myths and legends. Cobras hold a significant place in the mythology and folklore of many cultures. One such culture is India, where cobras are linked to Lord Shiva, the god of destruction and transformation. The Indian cobra is considered sacred and is believed to be the mount or vehicle of the goddess Kali, another fierce deity in the Hindu pantheon. The association of cobras with powerful deities reflects their revered status in Indian culture. Ancient Egyptians also saw cobras as symbols of protection and power. The pharaoh's crown often featured a cobra named the Uraeus, which was believed to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune to its wearer. This mythical creature was said to have magical healing powers and could cure snake bites. There's also a common myth that cobras can hypnotize their prey, causing them to become paralyzed with fear. However, this is not true. Instead, prey such as rodents and birds freeze out of fear, which can make them vulnerable to the cobra's deadly strike. Another myth is that cobras drink milk, which is also untrue. Snakes cannot digest lactose, the sugar found in milk, so they cannot drink or digest it. 5. Reproduction and life cycle king. Cobras are unique among other cobras as they build nests for their eggs and guard them until they hatch. This behavior is similar to that of birds and some other reptiles, but is unusual for snakes. During mating season, male cobras will often engage in elaborate courtship rituals to attract a mate. These rituals may involve visual displays, chemical signals, or even battles between males competing for a female. Once a female is ready to mate, she will release hormones that signal her readiness. The male will then attempt to coil around the female in a figure-8 pattern to stimulate her to produce eggs. After successful fertilization, the female will give birth to live young or lay eggs depending on the species. Most cobras lay eggs, making them oviparous. The number of eggs laid can vary depending on the species and size of the cobra. For example, an Indian cobra may lay 10 to 30 eggs per clutch, while a king cobra can lay up to 40 eggs. The eggs are leathery and can be white or yellow in color. Incubation can take anywhere from 60 to 90 days, depending on factors such as temperature and humidity. When baby cobras hatch, they are born with venom that is ready to use. They are miniature versions of adults and can hunt small prey items right away. Like their adult counterparts, baby cobras are carnivorous and will eat small rodents, lizards, and other snakes. 6. Cobras' interaction with humans throughout history. Cobras have captured the human imagination, inspiring both fear and fascination. Their reputation as deadly creatures has been perpetuated in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. This fear has led to the development of snake charming as a performance art in some cultures, most notably India and Thailand. Snake charmers are individuals who have developed techniques to influence the behavior of cobras and other venomous snakes. They use a variety of methods, including the use of music, vibrations, and hand gestures to control the movements of the snake. However, it's important to note that cobras do not respond to music per se, but rather to the movement of the charmer's flute or other tools. While snake charming may seem like a mystical art form, it's important to remember that cobras are wild animals and their behavior can be unpredictable. Conflicts between cobras and humans often arise due to habitat loss and fragmentation caused by human activities such as deforestation and urbanization. As snake habitats are destroyed, they are forced to seek refuge in human settlements where conflicts can occur. Despite their fearsome reputation, cobras play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They help control populations of rodents and other small animals that can carry diseases. By understanding their behavior and implementing effective conservation measures, we can coexist with these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. 7. Closing the cobra is a creature that inspires both fear and fascination. Its deadly venom and aggressive nature have earned it a reputation as one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. However, it is also a magnificent creature with a unique set of adaptations that allow it to thrive in a variety of habitats. From the Indian cobra to the king cobra, these snakes are truly remarkable and play an important role in the balance of nature. So what do you think? You fascinated by cobras? Or do you prefer to stay as far away from them as possible? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all our awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.